If you're over 60 and wondering, can I really lose belly fat at my age? You're not alone. This is one of the most common questions I get from seniors who want to feel lighter, healthier, and more confident. Before we dive in, I'd love to know, where are you watching from and what's your name? Please share in the comments below. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me know you want more videos like this. Let's be honest, losing belly fat after 60 can feel impossible. Maybe you've tried walking more, cutting out sugar, or even doing endless crunches, but that stubborn belly just won't budge. You might have even heard people say, it's just part of getting older. There's nothing you can do. But is that really true? Or are there mistakes you might be making that are actually holding you back? Here's the good news. Yes, you absolutely can lose belly fat after 60, but it's not about starving yourself, doing crazy workouts, or falling for the latest fad diet. It's about understanding how your body changes with age and avoiding the three biggest mistakes that keep most seniors stuck. Mistake number 1, only doing cardio. A lot of seniors think that walking, biking, or swimming for hours is the best way to burn belly fat. Cardio is great for your heart and overall health, but if that's all you do, you're missing a huge piece of the puzzle. The real secret? Strength training. As we age, we lose muscle, and less muscle means a slower metabolism. When you add simple strength exercises like squats, wall push-ups, or even lifting light weights, you build muscle, boost your metabolism, and burn more fat even while you're resting. Even if you're a complete beginner, start with bodyweight moves or resistance bands. Just a few minutes, 2 or 3 times a week can make a big difference. Mistake number 2, eating too little or the wrong foods. It's tempting to think that eating less is the answer, but here's the truth. Undereating can actually make it harder to lose belly fat. When you drastically cut calories, your body goes into survival mode, slowing your metabolism and holding on to fat. Plus, you risk losing even more muscle, which makes the problem worse. Instead, focus on eating enough of the right foods: lean proteins, plenty of vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains. Protein is especially important for seniors because it helps preserve muscle and keeps you feeling full. Don't be afraid of healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, or avocado. They actually help your body burn fat more efficiently. And remember, processed foods, sugary snacks, and too much alcohol are the real culprits behind stubborn belly fat. Mistake number 3, ignoring sleep and stress. This one surprises a lot of people, but it's a game changer. Poor sleep and chronic stress can sabotage your efforts to lose belly fat. When you don't sleep enough, your body produces more of the hormone cortisol, which is linked to increased belly fat. The same thing happens when you're stressed. Your body holds onto fat as a protective mechanism. So what can you do? Prioritize good sleep. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Keep your bedroom cool and dark and avoid screens before bed. For stress, try deep breathing, gentle stretching, or even a short walk outside. These small habits can make a big difference, not just for your belly, but for your mood, energy, and overall well-being. If you want to lose belly fat after 60, focus on 3 things. Add strength training to your routine, eat enough of the right foods, and take care of your sleep and stress. Even small changes done consistently can lead to big results over time. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. Thousands of seniors have transformed their health by making these simple shifts. You can do it too. Start with one change this week. Maybe add a few squats to your day, swap out a processed snack for some veggies, or commit to going to bed 30 minutes earlier. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from and your name. Your support means a lot, and I can't wait to hear about your progress.